Alrighty folks, they're on it here. We got a 2-pill custom build. I'm not going to point the builder out. Got it covered up, not even going to show you, not even going to give you a hint. I'm not getting into builder basher. Everybody's got their own way. But I will tell you this, whoever you had working on it, chop this thing up. That's why the solder works a little bit rough in it. I've cleaned it up a lot. But anyway, 2 new pills, new input tune cap, new cap on your input transformer, rewrapped your output transformer like it's supposed to be, new output tuning cap, redid your feedbacks, basically retuned the whole amp, and put a on the variable, put a bleed off resistor on it. There wasn't one on it. Pretty much there was, I know somebody had been working on it and it had been chopped up. It wasn't in the original shape, but there was a lot of little flaws too, and that's just my opinion. It's the way we do things. Everybody does things different. Like I said, I'm not going to go into bashing somebody. I'm just going to tell you what I did. But there's your new feedbacks, pills, input tuning cap, output tuning cap, input transformer cap, rewound output transformer. The windings were wrong. Pretty much there we go. Basically what I did, I'll just give y'all a hint. When I put this together, first I put pills and feedbacks in, didn't do nothing else. Put pills and feedbacks in it, did a little over 200 peak. Rewrapped it all and redid everything I told you about, and it does about 375 peak. That's a big difference with radio drive. So, anyway, let's look at it. 5-volt reverse. Radio check, radio check, radio check. Hello, audio, half watt. 500 watt slug, average power. Get on down, geez, we're about 100. 1000 watt slug, average power. Get on down, geez, we're below 100. Input tune 0. Put on the peak, bird peak kit, 1000 watt slug, radio drive. This is 4 watt bird in. Get on down, cheeseburger, 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 365, 375. It's got the longer transformer in it, backs it off a little bit. Get on down, cheeseburger, cheeseburger. I just got down. We're gonna kick it with Texas Star. Put 100 watt in it just for fun. Like fit a striker or whatever, about 90 to 100. Get on down, cheeseburger, 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 about 4 1/4. Get on down, Becker. But there she is. She's all fixed up. I'm gonna put her back together, and I'll send you a total. Send you this video. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Your friend 10 018 Beavis. Catch you later.